Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina for those of you who are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be pairing these two cleansing or makeup cleansing balms for you guys. The Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser from Drunk Elephant and the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So I'm going to do the Glow Recipe on the right side of my face and the Drunk Elephant on the left side of my face. So it's been a long day, that's why I look super oily and whatnot. The Glow Recipe one just came out. It retails for $32. It has 3.4 ounces of product, so it's for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin tone. So it says skin concerns, if you have pores, dullness, and uneven texture, this is supposed to be good for that. So a few things that I saw are highlight ingredients. It has papaya enzyme, which is supposed to smooth and resurface and soothe the skin. Papaya seed oil, which helps to keep skin hydrated, and blueberry extract, which protects skin against environmental stressors. That is a PEG free, or I don't know if I'm supposed to say PEG free, cleansing balm that smooths the look of skin with natural papaya enzymes while melting away stubborn makeup, dirt, oil, and SPF. And I'll make sure I put on the screen some more information for you guys. Now for the Drunk Elephant, it retails for $34 and you get 3.88 ounces of product. So it says it's an innovative cleansing balm that melts all traces of dirt, makeup, sunscreen, and even water-resistant formulations from skin. It's for dry, normal, oily combination skin type. And for skin concerns, it says dryness. Few key ingredients. It has fruit salad blend, which is a mix of non-fragrant soothing fruit extracts such as blueberry, kiwi, and strawberry, and replenishing fruit oils, cranberry seed oil, acai fruit oil, and watermelon seed oil that helps comfort and moisturize skin. I'll make sure I also put information on the screen for you guys about this product. So both of these products are actually from the Clean line at Sephora. If you don't know what the Clean line is, it's basically that it's formulated without a list of over 50 ingredients, including sulfates, phthalates, parabens, and more. That's supposed to be bad for your skin. So what I'm going to do is, after I'm finished, I'm going to use a cotton pad along with some micellar water. This stuff is bomb. If you guys haven't tried, this is the triple action cleansing water for face and eyes from Sephora collection. This takes off every single trace of makeup that you have on your face. So once I'm done, I'm going to use this on both sides of my face so you guys can see how well these cleansing balms take off makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. And like I said, on my right side, I'm going to do the Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe, it just looks like a little papaya colored cleansing balm, and the Drunk Elephant is green. So I have been using the Drunk Elephant. This will be my first time using the Glow Recipe. Texture wise, the Glow Recipe seems to be like very whipped, kind of like it looks very solid, but then it looks like a whipped butter. Versus the Drunk Elephant one, it seems like more of a balm that melts into like an oil, if that makes sense. Let's remove these lashes, shall we? I promise that does not hurt, in case you're wondering. It actually feels so good to just take off my eyelashes. It's kind of like taking off your bra at the end of the day. This is the Glow Recipe side. Okay, so it has a slight scent to it. I don't know what to compare to, but it's very, very slight. I like the way it feels. It doesn't feel like, it feels super lightweight. It doesn't feel like too oily or thick or anything like that. It kind of feels I don't know, feels really nice. Take a little bit more. The Drunk Elephant cleansing balm feels a lot thicker and a lot more oily than the Glow Recipe. All right, so just massaging it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. So I pat dry my face, that way I don't take off, you know, any makeup that's left over. Drunk Elephant definitely burned my eyes, so this eye is feeling like a little irritated and it's like a little blurry. I just wanted to point that out to you guys. So I have my 2 clean cotton pads, my micellar water. This one is Glow Recipe, this is Drunk Elephant. So as you can see, there's makeup on both sides, but there's a lot more makeup on this pad, which is from the Drunk Elephant, and this side is the Glow Recipe. So the Glow Recipe definitely took off way more product than the Drunk Elephant. I just flipped it the opposite side. So Drunk Elephant, now I'm gonna go over Glow Recipe again, and this is Glow Recipe. So this is the other side. So I basically flipped it around. This was the first side from Drunk Elephant, first side from Glow Recipe, and flipped it and wipe again. I really like the Glow Recipe. I love the consistency of it. I love the way it just really just melts the makeup away without feeling too greasy. Like this one feels very greasy and it burns like no other on my eyes. It's very hard actually to rinse off my eyes. If I had to choose one, I would definitely go with the Glow Recipe. I think it's a lot better in my opinion than the Slaai. The Slaai one is nice too, but it's terrible on the eyes. It burns, and the Slaai one is very hard to rinse off comparing to the Glow Recipe. It takes forever to rinse off, and it feels like it leaves like a little film on my face before I go in and double cleanse. So I hope you guys found this video helpful if you're thinking about purchasing one of these. Okay, make sure you are subscribed. If you're not a subscriber, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like videos like these where I compare products for you guys, and don't forget again to subscribe because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and you guys, I think you guys are gonna get me there very soon. We're almost at 700 subscribers, so thank you so much to everyone who has been supporting me and subscribing. I appreciate you. Okay, and with all that being said, I will see you guys very soon in my next video.